Pakistan, Islamic Republic of Pakistan. Pakistan, populous multi-ethnic country of South Asia, having a predominantly Indo-Iranian speaking population. Pakistan has historically and culturally been associated with its neighbors Iran, Afghanistan, and India. Pakistan achieved independence in 1947. Its capital is Islamabad, in the foothills of the Himalayas in the northern part of the country, and its largest city is Karachi, in the south on the coast of the Arabian Sea. Its almost population, 2022 est. 235,409,000 and its currency exchange rate, $1 United States dollar equals 225.596 Pakistani rupee. Pakistan was brought into being at the time of the partition of British India, in response to the demands of Muslims, as articulated by the All India Muslim League under the leadership of Muhammad Ali Jinnah. India's Muslims would receive just representation only in their own country. Pakistan encompasses a rich diversity of landscapes, starting in the northwest, from the soaring Pamirs and the Karakoram range through a maze of mountain ranges, a complex of valleys, and inhospitable plateaus, down to the remarkably even surface of the fertile Indus River plain, which drains southward into the Arabian Sea. It contains a section of the ancient Silk Road and the Khyber Pass, the famous passageway that has brought outside influences into the otherwise isolated subcontinent. Lofty peaks such as K2 and Nanga Parbat, in the Pakistani-administered region of Kashmir, present a challenging lure to mountain climbers. Politically and culturally, Pakistan has a parliamentary democracy. At the time of partition in 1947, as many as 10 million Muslim refugees fled their homes in India and sought refuge in Pakistan, about 8 million in West Pakistan. Pakistan is bounded by Iran to the west, Afghanistan to the northwest and north, China to the northeast, and India to the east and southeast. The coast of the Arabian Sea forms its southern border. It, about 3/5, consists of rough mountainous terrain and plateaus, and the remaining 2/5 constitutes a wide expanse of level plain. The land can be divided into 5 major regions: the Himalayan and Karakoram ranges and their subranges, the Hindu Kush and Western Mountains, the Balochistan Plateau, the Submontane Plateau, Potwar Plateau, Salt Range, Trans-Indus Plain, and Sialkot area, and the Indus River Plain. Within each major division there are further subdivisions, including a number of desert areas. Karakoram Range, K2, Mount Godwin Austen, the Himalayas, which have long been a physical and cultural divide between South and Central Asia, form the northern rampart of the subcontinent, and their western ranges occupy the entire northern end of Pakistan, extending about 200 miles, 320 kilometers, into the country. Spreading over Kashmir and northern Pakistan, the western Himalayan system splits into 3 distinct ranges, which are, from south to north, the Pir Panjal Range, the Zaskar Range, and the Ladakh Range. Farther north is the Karakoram Range, which is a separate system adjoining the Himalayas. This series of ranges varies in elevation from roughly 13,000 feet, 4,000 meters, to higher than 19,500 feet, 6,000 meters, above sea level. 4 of the region's peaks exceed 26,000 feet, 8,000 meters, and many rise to heights of more than 15,000 feet, 4,500 meters. These include such towering peaks as Nanga Parbat, 26,660 feet, 8,126 meters, and K2, also called Godwin Austen, 28,251 feet, 8,611 meters, in Gilgit-Baltistan. Several important rivers flow from, or through, the mountains of Kashmir into Pakistan. From the Pir Panjal range flows the Jhelum River, which bisects the famous Vale of Kashmir. The Indus River descends between the Zanskar and Ladakh ranges, and the Shyok River rises in the Karakoram range. South of the Pir Panjal is the northwestern extension of the Shiwalik range. They're rising to about 600 to 900 feet, 200 to 300 meters, which extend over the southern part of the Hazara and Murray Hills.